Hello, everybody in TV land. It's Joe Banuelos with Precision Calibration Repair, and this is your Mad Metrology Minute. Hey, Joe. Hey, it's your neighbor, Bill. Hey, can I borrow your drill? Yeah, I'm working on a project. I'll bring it back in 5 to 7 days. Okay. 5 to 7 days? Yeah, I can do that. I mean, I need my tools. Yeah, sure. Hang on. Here you go. Okay. Yeah, honey, let me get the drill so I can get that job done. Hey, get off my back. Oh, wait a minute. The neighbor still has my drill, and I need it. He said 5 to 7 days. It's been 3 weeks. Hey, where's my tool? Wow, that guy really needs his tools back. All right, in fact, that's what we're going to talk about today. Not just calibration, but turnaround times. That's one of the biggest questions, people ask us, hey, how soon can I get my tool back? How soon can I get my caliper back, my OD mic, plug gauge, whatever you may have, right? Profilometer. So the answer to that is 5 to 7 business days. Um, 5 to 7 business days is the general turnaround time throughout the year. Now, sometimes turnaround time we get really busy, just like maybe your shop gets extra busy, and you know how it is. Your turnaround times are longer. We try our best to do what we need to do, whether we hire new technicians, whatever it may be. But here's how it works. When a tool comes into our shop, once it hits our shop, the counter begins. We put it in line, and as long as the tool does not need any repair, 5 to 7 business days throughout most of the year, that's when the tool will be ready. Now, what has caused some confusion is that we have to have a PO before we complete the paperwork. So, ideal to have the paperwork, have the PO when you turn in the tools, and also have a list of the tools is great. If not, one of the girls in the office will be sending you an email requesting PO so she can complete the paperwork. Sometimes, so make sure to look out for your email, because sometimes there may be some email 2-3 days and you hadn't looked at, and we need that to complete the order. So that helps out too. The other thing that could cause delay would be if, let's say, we're working on your caliper, right? It came in for calibration, and we find out that the blades need lapping, or there's another problem, or your OD mic needs some correction too. Maybe your OD mic, your thimble's bad, or it could be these are concave, your anvils are concave, or whatever it may be. But now that's a different story, because now we put, and it's the same thing if you turn in a tool for repair only. Um, we put it in line just like we do with the calibration, but the difference is that we have a lot of repairs because we do a really good job. We get repairs from other shops. In fact, that's why I say that. The bad thing is the turnaround times can be out there. We're not talking 5 to 7 days now. Now, what we shoot for is we put it in line, and once the technician gets to your tool, he's going to estimate it, and then we'll get that estimate to our estimator. Then she will send you an email and say, hey, here's a quote on your caliper. Do you want us to repair it? How would you like us to proceed? Sometimes there's hang up there. We don't get response from our customers. Do you want to repair it or not? So sometimes that can be interpreted as, oh, hey, PCR had my tool for 7 weeks. But it's all about understanding that the repairs are a little different, but still, we still want to get your repairs in there as soon as you can. If you have a repair that's super hot, then just let us know, and we can do some kind of expediting. Speaking of expediting, on our regular calibration, we do have 24, 48, 72 hours, and there's a fee involved, just like any other shop. But the whole goal is to try and get your tools to you as soon as you can, as soon as we can, rather. Because as you saw in that illustration, That did not make the guy happy. His wife was all over him, right? Because there was a job to do, and he didn't have his drill. So we're all in this together. We want to get the tools to you, but those are just some tips that'll help get it to you sooner. And feel free to give us a call. My number is 832-423-8116. The other thing, you know what? Let's think of a joke of the day. Here we go. What did one ocean say to the other ocean? So you have one ocean here, you have one ocean here. What did they say to each other? Think about it for about 2 seconds. 2. Nothing. They just waved. And speaking of wave, that's our time. So thank you again for joining us at the Mad Metrology Minute. And thank you guys for your business. And we'll talk soon.